What's the clicking noise from my refrigerator? A clicking noise coming from your refrigerator can indicate a few different potential issues. Here are a few possible causes. Defrost timer or control board. Refrigerators have a defrost system that periodically turns on to prevent ice buildup on the evaporator coils. If the defrost timer or control board is faulty, it may produce a clicking sound as it tries to initiate the defrost cycle. Start relay or overload relay. These components are responsible for starting the compressor in your refrigerator. If either of them is faulty, you may hear a clicking noise as they attempt to engage the compressor. Faulty compressor. The compressor is the heart of the refrigeration system and is responsible for circulating refrigerant. If the compressor is failing, it may produce a clicking sound as it tries to start but fails to do so. Faulty condenser fan motor. The condenser fan motor is located near the compressor and helps dissipate heat from the refrigerator. If the fan motor is malfunctioning, it may cause a clicking noise as it struggles to operate properly. Loose or faulty components. Over time, various components in your refrigerator can become loose or worn out. Loose fan blades, loose mounting brackets, or other loose parts can cause a clicking sound when the refrigerator is running. It's important to note that diagnosing and repairing refrigerator issues can be complex and potentially dangerous due to electrical components and refrigerant. If you're experiencing a clicking noise from your refrigerator, it is recommended to contact a professional appliance technician who can safely diagnose and fix the problem. They will have the necessary knowledge and tools to identify the specific cause of the clicking noise and perform any needed repairs.